Hi friends, welcome to the Cape Creator. I am Harsh and today we are gonna create a new character from Tom Hardy's Venom. So let's begin.
So guys, we will start with the Venom by drawing a circle which is squeezed from the top and bottom. Then we'll draw his broad neck which starts from where we draw our normal ears. Then we will make his jawline, his shoulders and arms. The Venom is a character who has a deformed body, so you can draw it as crazy as you want. Now we will give these guidelines a curvaceous and nice look. So to convert this figure into Venom, we will make his gums, his mouth and teeth. So to get it easier to draw the placement of teeth, we will make some grooves on the gums. Then we will draw his sharp razor-like teeth, which are slightly diamond shaped, but as it goes longer it looks like spikes. Then we will draw his tongue lifting upwards. His tongue will arise from middle of his lower teeth. Then we will make small eyes to get it right that what expressions we will give to the larger eyes of the Venom. So it will be easy for us to give that expression. His eyes are quite similar to Spider-Man's, but is deformed, which gives it the ultimate supervillain look. Then we will make some detailings or wrinkles on his face. Now we will separate out his head and jaw from his neck. Then we will come up with his nervy detailings present on his shoulders. Now on the right shoulder, it is not necessary to get it perfect. These are just crazy lines with some nervy appearance. These are not present in the comic version of Venom. These are special to the Venom movie. Now, after inking, we will start with coloring. We will color it jet black with shadows on where we have drawn the wrinkles and folds. Our strokes will bend with the shape of the face to give it the right flow and look. Then after the coloring of face and darkening of shadows. We will move to his neck, where we will move darker from lighter as we move towards the tongue. The coloring between the detailings should be dark to separate it from the rest of the body. Then we will do the same on his shoulders. We will color dark on the boundaries of his chest and the middle of his chest, and our tone will grow lighter as we move apart from the chest. Now we will color his mouth and teeth. His teeth are yellow and reddish, and our detailings would be lightly shaded with grey, because these are not actually white. After shading his eyes, our Venom will be ready. Thanks, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.